In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Chinese words to the video. For example, I have the word 新鲜的鱼, it means fresh fish, put on the signboard. The method used here can also be applied to Japanese words, as shown in the video you are seeing on the screen now, where the signboard has the words 新鮮な魚. It also means fresh fish. Welcome to Over the Hill. Thank you for dropping by. Let's dive straight in. First, launch the Blender software. You will see this page with Blender banner when the program is started up. Click anywhere to remove the banner. Go to the toolbar on top, click on the plus sign, Video Editing, and select Video Editing. Blender will bring you to the video editing screen. Next, add the video that you want to put in the text. Once the video is added, you can see the preview right on top here. Go to the toolbar and add text. Adjust the length you want to display the text. Under the effect strip, type in fresh fish and adjust its location to the center of the signboard in the video. Next, change the language input to Chinese input. You can try to type in Chinese words using Chinese language input. However, you will notice that Blender does not allow you to use the Chinese language input. As a result, you will not be able to type in any Chinese words. To work around it, launch any Word document software that can accept Chinese language input. For my case, I will use WordPad. In the WordPad, I will type in the Chinese words that I need to put into my video. Once done, copy these Chinese words and then paste in under the effect strip. You can see the signboard in the video is now showing the Chinese words. Let me adjust the size and position them in the center of the signboard. That's it. The final step is to render the video. Make sure the color management is set to standard in order to preserve the video original color. Then set the rendering frame to match the total video frame length. Also make sure the output file format is set to the format you want. For my case, I will set to MPEG 4 with lossless output quality. Since I don't need audio, I will leave the audio setting untouched. Go to the toolbar on top of the Blender software. Select Render, then Render Animation. Once the rendering is done, you can check the video if you are satisfied with it. For Japanese words to be put into the video, it is similar to the method used here. Since you are not able to input Japanese words in Blender, you can use the copy and paste method. I will use Google Translate to translate the words to Japanese word. Then copy the words and paste under the effect strip in Blender. Once pasted, go through the video frame by frame to see if you are satisfied with it. Render the video after that, and that's it. One important thing to take note, not all fonts in Blender could support languages other than English. As you can see here, there are several fonts that cause the Chinese words not able to be displayed properly. Some will just show boxes. I chose Sim Fang to display the Chinese words. Remember to like and share the video if you find it useful, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.